How to create an account on MetaMask. Are you guys facing issues to create an account on MetaMask application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MetaMask on your mobile device. If you don't know how to download MetaMask on your mobile device, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. After you open up the app, now hit the Get Started button. Now click and create a new wallet. Tap on I agree. Take the box to agree the terms and conditions and hit the accept button. Over here you need to create a password. Create a password according to your preference, but make sure that no one can steal it. Again, confirm your password. After you fill up the details, take the box and tap on create password. If you want to allow your Face ID, then tap on allow. If you don't want it, then don't allow. Tap on start. Again, click on start. Confirm your password and hit the confirm button. Now write down a secret recovery phrase. It helps to log in into your account if you forget your password. After you confirm your recovery phrase, tap on complete backup. And that's it, guys. That's how we're going to create an account on MetaMask. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding your MetaMask app, make sure to comment down below. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.